Northspyre has allowed Trilogy to scale our projects from starting with one project with about a $60 million budget all the way through at our peak. We had over $1 billion in our pipeline. We're doing much larger, much more complicated projects than we did when we had started. Trilogy Real Estate Group is a real estate investment firm based here in Chicago. We focus on multifamily developments as well as mixed-use developments that have either a retail or commercial component. Before Northspyre, it took a lot of effort to execute just one development project, and we knew that we wanted to scale. One of the hooks that really helped us to make the decision to go forward with Northspyre was that it integrated with our legacy accounting system. So our accounting and development team could be looking at the same dashboards, see the same data real time.
Northspyre allows us to have everything in one place in terms of budgeting and the development and construction portion. It keeps us all on the same page and keeps us operating efficiently. You can see the information you need, which allows for quality control.
Per project probably saves 20 hours a month, and it's allowed us to export a lot of our data that Northspyre houses and utilize that in other ways that tie in with our performa and various other areas. We're able to really take a lot of the lift out of what had been our Excel spreadsheet. We're able to put more and more of the lift on Northspyre. It's allowed us to stay organized with commitments, cost forecasting, cash flows, equity, capital requirements, managing a complex capital stack. It's really made that an intuitive, quick, and I would say an efficient process all around.
If we didn't have Northspyre for our new development and construction projects, with the growing number of projects we have, there would just be too much room for error. And there wouldn't be enough time. I just don't think it would be feasible or as streamlined.
It's allowed us to grow, focusing on our core business goals without having to worry about the financial health of our developments. Having those real-time insights into all of our developments across a large portfolio at any instant has been invaluable.